Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make a birthday greeting card. Stuffs you need. Step 1. Fold the red sheet and mark a heart with a pencil. Cut the heart leaving some part of the heart, as I have done. Step 2. Fold one of the white sheet, and paste the back side of it with the red one, and fold the front white sheet, the same way I have done. Step 3. Decorate the front page of the card, with the help of some decorative items. Step 4. Take one more white A4 size sheet, cut its sides with a pattern scissor, and then draw a bigger heart on it. Step 5. Now decorate the inner side of the card as well.